Hi guys, welcome back to my Fatal Beauty channel, my Fatal Beautyettes. How y'all doing tonight? It is Vlogmas, day number 8. And what do I have in store for you guys this evening? A little treat. I'm going to teach you guys how to make cool snowflake decorations for your closet, scented ones, or for your lamps like I have now to dim the lights a little, make it a little romantic. For your Christmas tree, for your walls, for wherever you want in your place, with just circulars from the grocery store or magazines you don't use. Now everyone that knows me knows I'm a Cosmo girl. So we are going to be using one of my Cosmo magazines. It's not that old, it's about a month or two old. But it has Dolce and Gabbana in it, and it smells so delicious. What you do is, you take the smelly out, the scented ad. I'm going to go there in a second. I want to show you guys Johnny Depp's new cologne scent. Savage. Or is it Savage? I think it's Savage and it's supposed to be like French or something. Whatever. We are not going to use Johnny because I am not going to be cutting up this cute, sexy face. No way. It smells so good. Oh, yeah. Now, what you do is, when you take it out from the magazine, it's going to be a rectangular shape like this. You see the models? So, you got the rectangular shape from the magazine, okay? What you do is, you're going to fold that in half. And then you're going to fold that in half again. And then you're going to fold that in half again. You're going to cut off the cone, which is just a little corner like this. That's going to be the center. Then you're going to round it off, like I did already. You're going to round off. So right here on this folded area, you're going to start cutting dashes and designs. We're going to do a design, and I'm going to cut a long one like so, right there. Hope you can see that. You see what I just did? Then I'm going to cut the same length right next to it, okay, adjacent to it, like so. Then we're going to cut that out. Oops. There we go. See? Cut that out. So now we have a long cut there. You're going to do just a slash. Okay. Oh, it's smelling so good already. A short one. Then a long one next to it. Cut a little slash there. On the opposite side. This is going to be a surprise just as much as it's going to be for you guys. I don't know what it's going to look like. I do it different each time. So what we're going to do here is the same thing I did in the opposite side. We're going to do slashes without going all the way. Ooh. That looks like butterflies. Look at that. Looks like smiley faces. That looks kind of cool, huh? Oh, it smells so good. You see? This is the area where the I'm going to flip it open. The scent strip is. You see the scent strip? And you don't want to open it all the way. Just open it a little, like that. And just each day or every few days, open it more and more. I'm putting this in my closet. Oh, that looks so cute. And it smells so good. What do you think, guys? Isn't that a cute idea? They kind of look like butterfly snowflakes. Whee! Oh, I can't stop smelling it. It smells so good. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I should have said this at the beginning. Sorry, guys. And please remember to like and subscribe. Peace out till next vlog. Have fun, guys. Be good to one another. Don't troll and don't hate. Appreciate.